British Columbia is ringing in the new year with new rules, including a 20% home flipping tax. Hi, I'm Jayson Sidhu, and today I'm going to provide a brief overview of the newly introduced BC home flipping tax. So let's get into it. The BC home flipping tax is a tax on profits earned from selling residential property in British Columbia if property was owned for less than 730 days. Effective January 1st, 2025, it applies to the sale of taxable properties or pre-sale contracts, including those purchased before the effective date but sold after it. The tax is intended to discourage short-term property flipping and operates separately from federal property flipping rules. The tax applies to individuals, corporations, partnerships, or trusts regardless of residency if they sell a taxable property owned for less than 730 days. Taxable properties include residential properties, properties owned for residential use, and rights to acquire such properties, such as pre-sale contracts. Certain exemptions do apply, such as for specific property locations or sales involving developers. Exemptions exist for specific situations such as life events like death or divorce, certain sales involving related persons, properties used solely for commercial purposes, and properties in designated exempt locations and entities like registered charities. Builders and developers may also qualify for exemptions under certain conditions. Sellers must file a BC home flipping tax return within 90 days of the sale of the property if it was owned for less than 730 days, and returns are not required for properties owned for over 729 days or when exemptions apply. The tax is 20% of net taxable income for properties sold within 365 days and decreases for properties owned between 366 days and 729 days. Properties owned for at least 730 days are not taxed. The principal residence deduction allows for $20,000 to be deducted from the taxable income if the property was owned for at least 365 days and serves as the seller's primary residence. So that's a brief summary of the new BC home flipping tax. I hope this helps. I share these updates with you to help you make intelligent and informed decisions regarding your home. Now, if you have any questions about this new tax, or if you'd like to connect to discuss your real estate goals, or if you have any questions at all, you can do so by calling the number below at any time. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.